First, we're going to prepare our lobster cake mixture. Grab a large bowl and mix together 1 pound of finely chopped cooked lobster meat, 1 cup of breadcrumbs or crushed crackers, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 beaten egg, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir until everything is well combined and the mixture can hold together. Next, we're going to shape this mixture into patties about the size of a small burger. If you need to adjust the consistency, add more mayonnaise or breadcrumbs. Once your patties are formed, pop them into the fridge for at least an hour to firm up. While those are chilling, it's time to make our remoulade sauce. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon each of Dijon mustard, ketchup, horseradish, chopped parsley, and lemon juice. Add in 2 teaspoons of chopped capers, a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, hot sauce to taste if you like a kick, and salt and pepper. Mix well and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. Now it's time to cook our lobster cakes. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter or oil in a skillet over medium heat. Place the chilled lobster cakes in the pan and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and heated through. Serve these hot lobster cakes with the chilled remoulade sauce and lemon wedges on the side for a true Southern culinary experience. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.